morning, children. In today's session, we will learn future tense. That means things we will do tomorrow. We use verbs in the future tense to talk about things we want to do in future. Okay? Before start the lesson, once watch this. Children, see here. The simple future tense is formed by adding will or shall before the base verb. Base verb means what is in that sentence action word have that verb before we use will or shall. Okay? As helping verb. For example, I will watch television after I complete my homework. Yes, see, watch is base verb. Yes? Here, base verb before we use will. Understood, children? The simple future tense shows an action that will happen sometime in the future. Not now. That will be happen sometime in the future. At that moment only we use simple future tense. Okay? So children, coming back to page 46, all of you open page 46 in our grammar book. Here we have some pictures. The teacher is asking the children about their plans for the weekend. Not now. For the weekend plans, the teacher is asking the children. Okay? Under the pictures, we are given a sentence. Each sentence have one underlined word where the verb is in future tense. Okay? Future means the action was reserved for the next moment. Okay? See first one. Meena will attend her violin class. Will attend. Will means future tense helping verb. Here attend base verb. Okay? Meena will attend her violin class. Next one. These are all next weekend plans. Okay? Sunil will fly a kite. Here what the Sunil want to do the weekend plan. Sunil will fly a kite. Next one. Sagar will play a cricket match. Observe children, all the sentences we have helping verb will. Akash will go to the beach. Lata will visit her grandmother. Nikhil will paint a picture. So, these all sentences plans for the weekend only. That means future tense. Understood? In the future tense, we use helping verb will. Next one. Can you guess what these people will do? What these people will do? Can you guess, children? Here we have some answers also given. Observe, children, all these words before an action word or a verb, we use will only. Okay? So, will is the helping verb in the future tense. We use will as helping verb. Understood? Here see first one. It is raining. Sam will carry an umbrella. What he is doing? It is raining. So that's why Sam will carry an umbrella. Next one. Hari is getting bored. He will watch a cartoon show on TV. Next one. Mummy is tired. What she is doing? She will take rest. Rana is hungry. He will eat something. Deepa has a test tomorrow. She will study for the test. Okay? These are all future tense form only, children. Verbs before we use will. Because will as helping verb in the future tense. Understood? Moving on to next page. See next one. What will happen? Here we have some blanks. They have given the answers in the help box. See here. This is help box. Okay. So children, use these hints and fill in the blanks. Let's start. Observe the picture also, children. Paul is eating too much. What happened? He will grow fat. This is future tense form. He will grow fat because Paul is eating too much. Second one. The man is driving very fast. He will meet with an accident because he is driving very fast. Okay. Next one. See children, next one. The policeman is running. Why? Because he will catch the thief. Okay. Next one. You are watching TV for too long. You will spoil your eyes. Okay. Too long you are watching TV. Then what happened? Spoil your eyes. Okay. Don't watch TV more time, children. Next one. The child is playing with a knife. He will hurt himself. See here. The knife is very sharp. So don't play with knife. Okay. Moving on to next page. See children, next page. Let's read. Uncle Pai has a big farm. Anu and Gopi will visit the farm on Sunday. Uncle Pai will take them around the farm. He will show them the golden wheat fields and orchards full of trees. They will pluck some ripe fruits and put them in a basket. Then they will have lunch and play till evening. They will return home by 8 o'clock. Okay. See children, we have a small story. In this story, the name of the uncle is Pai. He has a big farm. His cousin's children, Anu and Gopi, visit the farm on a Sunday. Uncle Pai shows them the golden wheat fields and orchards full of fruit trees. Anu and Gopi will pluck some ripe fruits and put them in a basket. Then they had lunch and play till evening. The whole day enjoy a lot and they return home by 8 o'clock at night. So this is the story, children. Here we have some questions that belong to the above story. Okay children. Here we have some questions that belong to the above story and we have to find out the answers for them. Here see. First one. Who has a farm? Uncle Payas. Who will visit the farm on Sunday? Anu and Gopi. What will they pluck? They pluck ripe fruits and put in the basket. What will they do after lunch? Play. When will they return home? At what time, children? By 8 o'clock. Okay. Moving on to next one. Let's write. Alok is telling us about his best friend. My best friend is Amma. He lives in Park Street with his parents and his little brother. He is 8 years old. He goes to Bishop Cotton High School. He is very neat and clean. He never tells lies. He studies well. He also takes part in sports and games. Okay, children. Here, Alok is telling us about his best friend. His best friend name is Amma. Okay. Here, see. Who is your best friend? Tell us about him or her. Right here a few lines about your best friend. Okay. That's all for today's work, children. Read and write grammar point in lesson 13. Things we will do tomorrow in the grammar book. Thank you.